Damas y Caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joe J. Jr. and welcome to another super cool pomade review. Now, I don't know if you'd consider this a pomade, but it is a putty. But it looks and it's packaged kind of the way other pomades are, so we'll count it as a pomade. If you guys don't think I should, let me know in the comments why. You guys probably are already aware of this. I haven't been uploading in a while, but I kind of already made a video explaining some of it, which you can find it right here on this card. But this COVID-19 kind of threw off my whole, well, think of it as a Jenga tower. And then you pulled the wrong blocks, which is exactly what my opponent, COVID-19, did. And it just threw everything into disarray. And right now it's a waiting game. So wish me luck. So anyways, back to the review. We're going to be checking out Harry's Texturizing Putty. Now, this has stood out to me for a while now. I mean, I've seen and I've thought about doing the American Crew, the other ones. I already did an American Crew review. I think it was English. I think it was their defining paste. You can check that one out right here. But I didn't really like that one. It just ended up leaving my hair super greasy. I didn't like it. If you guys want me to, I'll check out the other ones. Right now I'm still waiting on the Goon Grease, the Light Hold Pomade, and the Sweet Georgia Brown. Anyways, so I've been seeing this one around a lot. You know, it looks significantly different. It doesn't look like your usual pomade, or maybe it does, but in my area, this stands out a lot. It's kind of got like a sleek, basic design. It offers no stiffness and no stickiness. It's got a medium hold and a matte finish. So let's open this up. I actually really like the smell of this. It's kind of got like a cinnamony smell. It's not too light and it's not too strong and overwhelming. Oh yeah. Also, sorry if you guys see little hairs flying by. I had been growing my hair out to get a pompadour, and when I went to get it cut and I explained to the stylist how I wanted it, they ended up leaving all my hair really long and only trimming the back and the middle of the back. The sides of the back are still really long, and then the middle is just like about an inch. So I definitely got to get that fixed. Anyways, if you guys don't know what a pompadour is, it's kind of like this. I really like the smell of this, so I really hope this does pretty good. But anyways, if you're new or if you are a returning viewer, regardless, you guys already know I always do good, bad, or okay. And on the rare occasion, if I get a mixed feeling about it, I will scale it on a scale of 1 to 10. So let's try this out. This is actually pretty tough. I hope that's not too much. I think I might need a little bit more actually. So you guys already know the process, putting it on your hands. It broke down pretty easily. Still got the cinnamony smell. And it's time to apply. I mean, it's going in pretty smooth. But it doesn't matter how smooth it goes in. What matters is the end result. You guys already know. And remember guys, if there's any product you guys want me to try, definitely let me know in the comment section down below and I'll get to it as soon as I can. And apply a little bit more. Yeah, you guys can see how my hair is. From the front, it goes down here and then back here. It's literally short, yet in the middle and everywhere else, it's literally the same length still. So I'm guessing that's most of it. My hands are really sticky. That is, at least it smells good. Anyways, on to the combing process. That went through actually pretty smooth. So far it's keeping everything down. It's keeping everything flat. I spoke too soon. But that curl doesn't matter. My hair is just way too long that not a lot of stuff is able to hold it down. So that's fine. Everything else is still in place. Gonna comb through it a bit more just to distribute it throughout the rest of my hair. Okay guys, so we are done with the combing process. Now it's the waiting game. So far from what I've seen though, it applied evenly. It went through very smoothly. At the moment the hold is pretty good. There's no strong smell radiating off of it. It said no stickiness, which I'm guessing that applies to when you're combing it, because it was kind of sticky to my hands. Still great smell though. It's not like the American Crew where the smell kind of changed once it got into my hair. So anyways, I'm gonna go through the rest of my day and I'll get back and we'll see how this product did so far. So I'll be right back. And we are back. So final opinion on this, on whether it's good, bad, or okay. I would definitely say this is probably, I'd say it's probably in the good. Congrats, Harry's. You've made it onto the good list. I say this because the hold is flexible, which is exactly what it says. It's kind of like weightless. It's almost as if it's not even there. And it didn't really leave like a really waxy residue, which is something some matte products end up leaving. So this wasn't like Barberry's where it was just really unpleasant waxy sensation. But this was pretty smooth. The application process was really smooth. Getting it, distributing it throughout my hair, super easy, super smooth. Still has a great smell, and you guys can already tell, as far as a matte hold, it did a pretty good job. So, anyways, Harry's Texturizing Putty. I think you can find this at like your local Walmart or Sally's. Definitely would recommend. It is a good product. Definitely be sure to check it out. Anyways, Damas y Caballeros, I hope you guys have an amazing day because you guys are all amazing people. And if you guys would like to make my day even more amazing, comment down below on any future products you guys would like me to do. Because we aren't just stopping at pomades. We'll do basically any hair product except for dyeing. I'm not going to dye my hair. Anyways, if you guys would like to make my day even more amazing, check out these videos and subscribe here. Anyways, I didn't mean to do that. Anyways, I am out.